Hello, lucky visitor to this channel. Welcome to Opportunity page where we share timely information related to scholarship, free training, funding, grant, loan, internship, fellowship, employment, and immigration opportunity. If all the items listed sounds like what you've been searching for, kindly tap or click the subscribe button and do the same with the notification bell. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get a job in United Kingdom. That is, I'm talking about an employment opportunity in the United Kingdom. And that has to do with the Commonwealth Professional Fellowship. If you don't know what a fellowship is a kind of exchange program between nations to benefit both nations. That is, workers in Nigeria, professionals in Nigeria will go to the UK to work, share their work experience from Nigeria with the UK professionals, and those in the UK too will share with those in Nigeria. That is what fellowship is all about. And a fellowship opens a window of opportunities, a lot of opportunities for professionals, people who are already working. And this fellowship is actually for those who are already working, those who are 5 years employment. So let's dive in to this opportunity. So to start with, what you're going to do is to go to Google search bar and type Commonwealth professional fellowship is already bringing it. Commonwealth Professional Fellowship. So you will see it on the suggestions. So you click the one that carries the Commonwealth Professional Fellowship name, and it will take you directly to this website. So if it doesn't take you to this website, you should know you are in the wrong place. This is the website created for Commonwealth Professional Fellowship. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to have an idea of what this fellowship is all about. So you have different sections where we have overview, host organization, programs, how to apply, fellowship eligibility, eligible countries, completing application form, financial assistance, general conditions, immigration conditions, and inquiries. So let's look at the overview. Commonwealth Professional Fellowship are for mid-career professionals from low and middle-income countries to spend a period of time at a UK host organization working in the sector for a program of professional development. The purpose is to provide professionals with the opportunity to enhance knowledge and skills in their given sector and to have catalytic effect on the workplace. So who are the intended beneficiaries? They are mid-career professionals with 5 years relevant work experience, working organizations in low and middle income Commonwealth countries. It's very clear. These fellowships are offered under 6 development themes. Number 1, science and technology for development. That is, those who are working in the field of science and technology. Number 2, strengthening health systems and capacity. So if you are working in the health sector, you are qualified for this. Promoting global prosperity. So if you are an economist, you're a banker, you're an accountant, you're a businessman, you are qualified to apply for this. Strengthening global peace, security, and governance. So those who are in the security sector, diplomatic sector, they can apply. Strengthening resilience and response to crisis. You are a crisis resolution person, you can also apply. Then access, inclusion, and opportunity. If you have been doing works in this area, you are free to apply. So other informations are also there. Let's go back and see let's go back. I'm scrolling up again. So we are looking at host organization programs. Let's look at host organization program. Let's see what they have in stock. The fellows will leave bees for development with a deep and enhanced understanding of nature-based beekeeping, and how this can be used to support the livelihood of people living in poverty. They will also benefit from exposure to organizations in the UK involved in commercial beekeeping and honey import and export, those working in the biodiversity sector with a strong communication presence, and organizations offering expertise in safeguarding. It is very much a hope that as a result of the fellowship program, we will establish mutual beneficial fellowships with both the fellows and the organization they work with. Then we also have British Geological Society. We have Central and North West London NHS Foundation Trust. We have Doncaster and Barcelona Teaching Hospital Foundation. Those are the partners working with Commonwealth. Inclusion International, those are the organization. So if you study all these organizations, you will get to know what they stand for and what you are to look out for when you are applying for the fellowship. Let's look at how to apply. How to apply. You can, fellowship applications are now open and will close at 1600 BST on Wednesday, 16 August 2023. So the application will close in August. So you also see eligibility, the people who can apply, as we have said before, requirement for application. You will see, if you go back again to the sections, you will also see fellow eligibility. You will see eligibility countries. Then if you are ready to apply, you go to complete. After reading what all these things entails, you will go to completing fellowship application. That is, how do you complete the application? You will see what the details of how to complete the application. There you will first of all be asked to log in, register on the platform with your email. Then after which you will be able to apply. So those are the things I have to share with you. Then if you also go to financial assistance, you will see what this fellowship entails, the rewards, numerous rewards that this fellowship entails. This fellowship will take care of your flight expenses to and fro the your country of origin. It will take care of your living expenses, your accommodation, your everything. It will take care of everything. So, and as I said, although the fellowship period is for a short period, but the network you will have been able to build in the UK while fellowshipping can serve as an opportunity for you to go back and work permanently, seek employment in the UK permanently and even settle. So this is one of the opportunities that you've been searching for to work with Commonwealth, and this will be an enhancement to your CV. It will really boost your CV, and then professionally it will really help you. So you might want to go to the website and explore and see if you think you are qualified for this fellowship. And if you think you are qualified, shoot your shot and make things happen for yourself. Yeah, if you have gotten value from this video, please encourage me by tapping the like button. For more information regarding opportunity page or this video, I will encourage you to go to the description box for the details, and every other information you need will be supplied there. So that will bring us to the end of this video. I hope you will make the best out of this information. Look at I want you to keep a date with this channel. Keep visiting, and if you have not subscribed, please do that. And because when very soon I'm going to be posting another video that will benefit you in regard to all the items we have listed previously, and I will be looking forward to seeing you benefiting from this video. Peace. See you again.